Hello, and welcome to the English Conversation Practice Course. In this course, you'll listen to daily English conversations in different places and situations. Thus, you'll learn new vocabulary and improve your English listening and speaking skills. Let's get started.
Hi there. Could you point me to where the gluten-free stuff is?
Hey, it's in aisle 5, just past the organic veggies.
Thanks. I'm trying to cut back on gluten lately.
Totally get it. A lot of folks are doing the same these days.
Also, I'm looking for almond milk. I didn't see it in the usual spot.
We just restocked it. Check the refrigerated section near the yogurt.
Oh good. I was starting to think it was all gone.
It flies off the shelves pretty fast, especially the unsweetened one.
Yeah, that's the one I like. By the way, do you carry quinoa?
Yep, top shelf next to the brown rice, aisle 4.
Got it. I'm meal prepping this week, trying to stay on track.
Nice. Meal prep saves a ton of time during the week.
Do you have any deals going on today?
Yeah, cereals are buy one get one free, and snacks are 20% off.
I should have brought a bigger cart.
Haha, yeah, people always load up when there's a good sale.
Do you guys take digital coupons?
Absolutely. You can scan them at checkout or load them through our app.
I actually have the app. Do they apply automatically?
Yep, once you log in and scan your rewards card, it all kicks in.
Perfect. Do you guys deliver groceries?
We sure do. You can order online and pick your time slot.
That might save me next week. Things get hectic.
Totally. It helps take a load off when life's busy.
Thanks for all your help. You've really saved me time today.
Anytime.
Cut back on. Meaning, to reduce consumption of something. Example, I'm trying to cut back on sugar this month. Fly off the shelves. Meaning, to sell out very quickly. Example, that new oat milk flies off the shelves every week. Stay on track. Example, to continue doing something as planned or intended. Example, meal prepping helps me stay on track with my diet. Load up. Meaning, to fill something with a lot of items. Example, she loaded up her cart with snacks during the sale. Take a load off. Meaning, to reduce stress or responsibilities. Example, online grocery delivery helps take a load off my schedule. Hi there. Could you point me to where the gluten-free stuff is?
Hey, it's in aisle 5, just past the organic veggies.
Thanks. I'm trying to cut back on gluten lately.
Totally get it. A lot of folks are doing the same these days.
Also, I'm looking for almond milk. I didn't see it in the usual spot.
We just restocked it. Check the refrigerated section near the yogurt.
Oh good. I was starting to think it was all gone.
It flies off the shelves pretty fast, especially the unsweetened one.
Yeah, that's the one I like. By the way, do you carry quinoa?
Yep, top shelf next to the brown rice, aisle 4.
Got it. I'm meal prepping this week, trying to stay on track.
Nice. Meal prep saves a ton of time during the week.
Do you have any deals going on today?
Yeah, cereals are buy one get one free, and snacks are 20% off.
I should have brought a bigger cart.
Haha, yeah, people always load up when there's a good sale.
Do you guys take digital coupons?
Absolutely. You can scan them at checkout or load them through our app.
I actually have the app. Do they apply automatically?
Yep, once you log in and scan your rewards card, it all kicks in.
Perfect. Do you guys deliver groceries?
We sure do. You can order online and pick your time slot.
That might save me next week. Things get hectic.
Totally. It helps take a load off when life's busy.
Thanks for all your help. You've really saved me time today.
Anytime.
Remember, repetition is key to improving your English speaking skills. Repeating vocabulary and sentences multiple times helps you think in English and speak fluently. By practicing regularly, you'll improve your skills without needing to translate in your head.